The Leather Doctor is Australia and New Zealand's largest mobile leather and vinyl repair franchise network. Our franchisees come from all walks of life and each share the desire to be part of a well-known brand that helps them build their own successful and lifestyle-friendly business.
Previous to this, I did 20 years in construction.
Corporate background.
I've been in manufacturing for approximately 20 years.
We're excited that you've considered the Leather Doctor as a potential part of your future.
The Leather Doctor provides professional cleaning, repair, restoration and recolouring for items made from leather and vinyl.
What I love about being a leather doctor is the work-life balance.
There's ongoing training.
You're trusted and you're empowered to run your own business.
You don't need to have any sort of background to take this on.
Every day is different.
The brand's just how well regarded it is.
The affordability to be able to get in at an entry level.
This is a very unique opportunity.
If you want a successful business backed by a top national brand, visit our website or register your interest.